Alam mo ba na ang San Pablo City, na kinikilalang City of Seven Lakes, ay hindi lang scenic at historical. Ito rin ay isang ideal location para sa mga first-time homebuyers and seasoned property investors. Located in Laguna, San Pablo City is just a few hours away from NCR. Perfect for those who want to live outside the chaos of Metro Manila and live in an established city with lots of amenities and also live in an accessible location. Dito sa San Pablo, makikita ang Sampaloc Lake, where you can enjoy a family weekend afternoon, strolling, boating, and enjoying the wonderful food stalls. May mga major shopping centers na matatagpuan sa San Pablo City tulad ng SM City San Pablo at Ultimart Shopping Plaza for your shopping at entertainment needs. For your healthcare needs, nandito ang San Pablo City District Hospital at Community General Hospital. Marami ring major colleges sa San Pablo City. Nandito ang pamantasan ng Lungsod ng San Pablo or PLSP. Nandito rin ang Laguna State Polytechnic University or LSPU. At iba pang mga prestihiyosong paaralan offering K-12 education. Para naman sa mga food lovers, sikat din ang San Pablo City sa mga restaurants tulad ng Sulyap Gallery Cafe at Si Cristina Gateau Sans Rival, na nag-aalok ng mga masasarap na pagkain at unique dining experiences. Looking for a new home? Dito sa San Pablo City, maraming subdivisions na hindi lang maganda ang ambience at views, accessible din ito sa lahat ng essential amenities na matatagpuan sa San Pablo City, Lipa City, at iba pang major commercial hotspots sa Calabarzon. Look no further. Nandito ang Linville para sa'yo. We offer modern and affordable housing options perfect for every family, such as Linville Home San Marcos in Barangay San Marcos near LSPU, Linville Residences San Nicolas 1 and 2, both of which are only minutes away from SM City San Pablo, Linville Residences Del Remedio, located in the established community of Del Remedio in San Pablo City, near the towns of Calauan and the towns adjacent to the Laguna National Highway. We also have new and upcoming projects such as Linville Heights San Pablo in Barangay San Rafael and Linville Home San Antonio in Barangay San Antonio, both along the National Highway and both 5 minutes away from the nearest TR4 toll exit. Plus, Linville Heights San Pablo is even closer to SM City San Pablo than any other project we've opened so far. Located strategically near these major amenities, Linville Land Development Corporation ensures that everything you need is just a stone's throw away. With such amazing locations, your investment in our houses shall definitely skyrocket in value. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Discover the beauty and convenience of San Pablo City. Invest in your future. Buy a home at Linville. Ang pangarap mo noon, kaya mo na ngayon. For more information, visit www.linville.com.ph or visit us at Facebook at www.facebook.com/LinvilleLand.